Alright, it's the 13th of April 2020, and today we are going to be looking at the Aussie, the Euro, US dollar, the Pound US dollar, Pound Australian dollar, and the dollar index. So I'm starting with the dollar index. A couple of these pairs I wanted to go to the daily to see what was happening because some of the forward levels were being broken. Alright, so if that's the case, what I do, I simply switched over to the daily so I can have an idea of what is happening. Alright, so this is what we have on the dollar index on the daily. We're currently at a level. We could see we are currently below this level, but we have not broken this level as yet. Alright, if I need to sell a level, you all know what we do. If we need to sell a level, we basically need the market to break that level, come back, hold, and then fall if we are interested in selling the level. Right, so based on where we're at, we are below the level, but we could have a break right back up. Add to that that today is a bank holiday. During bank holidays, the major banks are closed, obviously. So what tends to happen is the market tends to move a little funny or even slow or is very dead. That's what the market does. So I don't want to discount this move as yet, but I'm also not going to count it. I'm not going to consider it as of right now. Let's see what the market does tomorrow. If from here we end up coming right back up above this range, then what I'm looking to do, I'm looking to buy the dollar up to this area, which means the other pairs will be looking to fall. If however we continue to fall, the next daily level is going to be all the way down here. So if that's the case, we should see a fall, we should see a correction, and then we look for this market to continue falling. But it's going to be based on what the market does at this area it's currently at. Alright, so with that in mind, let's go to the Aussie US dollar. So the Aussie US dollar, we had a level here, we had some levels lower, and the market broke those levels. So that's why I came to the daily. So on the daily, the next level is going to be this level up here. So if that's the case, then what I'm expecting, there's nothing stopping this market from going up. So I am expecting the Aussie to go up to around the 0.65 area and then potentially have a sell-off. So if that's the case, when I switch to the 4-hour, I'm going to be looking for reasons to buy this market. So I'm going to be looking for this market to probably do something like this. If we correct, come back to one of these levels, reject, and then go again, or we're going to continue just waving up, making higher highs and higher lows as we go up to this area here, and that's where I want to see some rejection, and that's where we could potentially have the market falling. All right, the Euro US dollar, this one is a nice bearish one. So last week I gave you all three options. We started off here and I said the market could push down and then go up, which it did not. All right, so the market did not give us this option here. Let's delete it. I said if we came back up to this level and rejected, that's where we should look to sell. We did not reject, so there was no sell trade. And then the last option that I gave you, because we're trying to see what this market could potentially do, was if it broke this area, came back to this area, rejected, leave wicks, held, then we should buy up to this area, and that's exactly what the market did. All right, you should have been looking to buy around this area here, where what was supply became demand. We have a swap zone here where the market bounced here, found support, and then went up to the next level. Now we're at this level, we have rejection, the market is falling, which was the next option that we gave. So this week is kind of a continuation of that trade. That is what we're looking to do this week. This week we should see this market continue to fall, so we are looking for this market to go bearish. We have an area right here that this market should come to. Again, once we break this level, then this next level down here would come into play. All right, so stay bearish on this. What we are looking for, if you're not in the trade already, then the trade is kind of gone. What you will need is a correction and then a continuation as this market makes its way down, guys. All right, but if you got in here because of last week when we said that was the game plan and you're in already, then stay in. Your first target should be around 1.087, I should say, around here. This is a good area to get out with profits with your first trade. Pound Aussie. So the Pound Aussie, this is one I'm on the daily for as well. The Pound Aussie has been a bit messy, but even in that mess, we could see that we have an area here where the market came down to once, went up, came down to, went up. We're back at that area right now, and I am watching that area. What I'm also seeing is that we have a level right below that this market could come down and tap, right? So because of that, I am aware of the area, and this is what I'm looking for to buy. I don't plan to buy the first setups. What I plan to buy is, if this is the area here, I want the market to push up, come back down, make a higher low, and that's where I want to buy. So if it's going to hold at this current level, I need it to break some of these highs, pull back, make a higher low, and that's where I want to buy. If not, what we'd see happening is probably a deeper correction, and then we'd have the market making the move up bullish. All right, and then the last pair is the pound US dollar. So this one, we are approaching some levels here on the pound US dollar, and what I am expecting is we should go up to this level, reject and fall, or if we break this level, we should be bullish up to the next level. So that's what I'm looking at on the pound US dollar. We need to wait and see. Again, we have been slowly moving up. You can see here, remember Friday was a bank holiday, today is a bank holiday, so because of that we have the market being a bit slow, but that's what I'm looking for on these pairs. Let's see how the market opens tomorrow and what opportunities we have, guys. Have a great week ahead.